Welcome to Trendy Cars, your go-to destination for the latest updates on new car models, official unveilings, and in-depth reviews. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Subaru Forester, a highly anticipated SUV that brings a blend of practicality, technology, and performance. Subaru has taken the Forester to the next level with a refreshed design, advanced safety features, and improved performance to meet the demands of modern drivers. The 2025 Forester features a bold new exterior design, with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body shape. Subaru has enhanced the rugged appeal of this SUV with new alloy wheel designs and a more aggressive stance. The increased ground clearance further emphasizes its off-road capability, making it a great choice for adventure seekers. The rear of the vehicle showcases updated taillights and a sportier bumper design, giving the Forester a more refined yet rugged appearance. Inside, the 2025 Forester offers a more premium cabin experience with high-quality materials and an upgraded infotainment system. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a larger touchscreen display featuring Subaru's latest Starlink multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, enhancing the modern feel of the interior. Comfort is a priority with redesigned seats, improved lumbar support, and optional leather upholstery for a more luxurious touch. The spacious cabin ensures that both front and rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom, while the cargo space remains one of the best in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Subaru Forester is powered by a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder boxer engine, delivering an improved balance of power and fuel efficiency. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system continues to be a standout feature, providing excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. The upgraded CVT transmission ensures a smoother and more responsive driving experience. Additionally, Subaru has hinted at the possibility of a hybrid variant, catering to eco-conscious drivers who seek better fuel economy and lower emissions. Safety has always been a strong focus for Subaru, and the 2025 Forester comes equipped with the latest version of the EyeSight driver assist technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a new driver monitoring system for enhanced safety. The SUV is also built on Subaru's global platform, improving crash protection and overall vehicle stability. Technology enhancements include a more intuitive voice control system, multiple USB-C charging ports, and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Connectivity features have been upgraded to ensure seamless smartphone integration, making every journey more convenient. The inclusion of an available panoramic sunroof adds to the airy feel of the cabin, making long drives more enjoyable. The 2025 Subaru Forester is set to continue its legacy as a reliable and versatile SUV, offering the perfect balance of practicality, comfort, and adventure-ready performance. With its refreshed design, improved technology, and commitment to safety, it remains a strong competitor in the compact SUV segment. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car news, official unveilings, and reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.